There doesn't seem to be anything interesting on television. Hello, I'm Chris Williams and welcome to my video blog, which is much more worth watching.
It's been a very busy half an hour for me. Obviously in the last half an hour, as I said, it's been a busy half an hour. Today I received a letter through the post. Here is the letter, and guess what? I then received another letter in the post, and guess what? It's exactly the same as the previous one. And it turns out that I received another letter, and the same as the previous ones, and then again, so same letter 4 times. I got the message. Now, I was going to talk to you about the latest films that are in the cinema. I don't know if we're going to have enough time to talk about that at the moment. I'm filming this while I wait for the oven to become available. I'm going to have chips as I like snack, but it turns out everyone's having chips for some reason. It's not the weekend, so why is that? So, this is video blog number 91, and that means that in 9 video blogs time, in just over a week from today, Tuesday, 17th of November, that's today, so, but in just over a week from now, hopefully, I will be, so that in my 100th video blog, is that's then going to be not too far off Christmas, I will put up my video blog decoration. You'll laugh about that, I think, but I can't guarantee that the 100th video blog will be 1 week from now, but I know that my next video blog is going to be answering a question that someone has posed me, so do join me for video blog number 92. I will answer that person's question, but you'll see that in a few hours time, further on from today's blog, I think. I named this blog Everybody Hates Chris. Well, most people do hate me, and I'm Chris, but I don't think there are many people who hate me at the moment. I have noticed that if you type Everybody Hates Chris into YouTube, or to even find about the American TV show, it gets tens of thousands of viewers, so this is just an opportunist way to increase the popularity of my video blog. What else was I going to say? Oh yeah, I received a message in response to my video blog on depression. Now, I have some telephone numbers for you to contact if you are depressed. I received a very interesting message in German. I don't speak German, so I don't know what the person is saying, but as it's going to say on the screen now, they said, Mua Adler Verpis Gif in that. Well, I'm not sure what that means, but I typed it into Google, and it appears to say something along the lines of fuck off you eagle. That doesn't make any sense. It's a bit of a nice blog about how to overcome depression. It would be nice if my German correspondent could communicate to me what it means in English, but even if he did want me to fuck off, no, that's not very nice, but it's sort of a nice video blog to help people who are depressed, either from depression from time to time. I'm sure that everybody who watches that blog would like to feel depressed. So I think I've got time actually. We'll wait for me to be able to put the chips in the oven. I'm going to review the latest films that are in the cinema. Last week I saw the film An Education, starring Carey Mulligan. It's expected to win an Oscars, and I think it's a very good movie, so I encourage you to go and see that. But the film 2012, the apocalyptic type film by Roland Emmerich, who makes a lot of disaster movies. I'm not going to see that because I've seen enough disaster movies. There's only so many times you can blow up skyscrapers and that sort of thing. I saw The Day After Tomorrow on TV some time ago. I thought it was rubbish. I haven't seen Independence Day. There was nothing too impressive. Amelia, which is about Amelia Earhart, the first woman to fly across the Atlantic. That sounds like it might be worth watching. It stars Hilary Swank, who came in The Core, one of the worst movies I've ever seen. But Amelia sounds good. And the week beginning November the 20th, the film The Informant comes out, and that stars Scott Bakula, who came in Quantum Leap, and it stars Matt Damon. It is Matt Damon, isn't it? I think it is Matt Damon, and that's a comedy about whistleblowing when there's corruption in a business. And of course, here in the United Kingdom, there's going to be a film called Nativity, also a Christmassy film. It stars Alan Carr, Martin Freeman, and Ashley Jensen. So I look forward to seeing that, and I will tell you at the time if any of these films are any good. Right, so I think that's all that I'm going to talk about in today's VA book. Oh yes, happy birthday to the Sun newspaper here in the United Kingdom. 40 today. They disgraced themselves recently with an attack on the Prime Minister Gordon Brown. He of course has poor eyesight, and they criticised him for his handwriting. Apparently he offended a woman who's just being pernickety about his handwriting. He said that he didn't show any dignity towards his dead son who was killed in the war, but I think they're just making a fuss about nothing. So happy birthday to the Sun, either rightly or wrong. They do have an impact on British culture, so even though they disgraced themselves recently, happy birthday to them, and congratulations on what they contribute to the British way of life. So yes, my next video vlog is going to be an answer to a question that's been posed to me by one of my viewers. So do join me for that. Until next time, it's bye for now. Bye bye.